Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to our video channel. We're going to publish more videos about important topics in federal government contracting, and you won't want to miss them. If you are a small business performing federal contracts, you stand an 81% chance that you will be involved in a small business size protest case. You can either be challenging your competition's small business size status to the SBA, or as the successful awardee, you can find yourself intervening and defending a recent government contract award. Either way, there are 5 things you must remember when litigating an SBA size protest case to stand a chance of not getting your case dismissed. Number 1, SBA regulation makes clear that you have to file a timely and complete protest. There is no room for error here. Your protest has to be detailed, contain a factual and legal reason for filing the protest. For example, if you are going to allege affiliation or violation of the ostensible subcontractor rule, then you have to state so in the protest itself. 2, do not speculate in your bid protest. This mistake amounts to about 33% of why size protests get dismissed. The key is to give as much detail as possible. 3, the SBA has no obligation to investigate issues beyond those raised in the protest. You have the responsibility to state all possible grounds for filing the protest. Failure to do so could impact the outcome of an appeal. 4, as the company defending or intervening, remember that a response to the SBA has to go over and beyond what the protester alleges. With that said, when responding as the awardee, the SBA can go over and beyond. Knowing how to respond in anticipation of what the SBA can do is critical. 5, in your protest, make all of your points at the SBA level. In response, the SBA's inquiries, make all of your factual and legal arguments at the SBA level. The reason for this approach is that many companies make this deadly mistake. The rule is that on appeal, it is very hard to introduce new evidence or arguments that were not brought at the SBA level. There are many nuances to filing and defending a small business size protest. At Watson & Associates, we help small businesses nationwide to file, defend, and appeal size protest cases. Call us today for immediate help at 1-866-601-5518.